This is the 17th question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 1. And number 17 reads, square A is side length 166 times the side length of square B. The area of square A is K times the area of square B. So the easiest thing to do here is to pick numbers. You make one side of one square 1, the other side of the other square 166. You find this area, it's 1. And if you do 166 squared, you could just throw that into Desmos. And you get 27,556. So the area of square B of square A is K times. It's 27,556 times. Type it in, move on, see the following video, check us out on YouTube. Go to the playlist, find IB Masters Learning Center, and section Test 3 Module 1, number 17. The shorter videos just below these longer videos. Also, click subscribe and check out this other area video. Have a great day.